Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS question paper 202 English of February 2021. This question paper consists of 20 questions. Maximum marks is 100 number and passing marks is only 30. Time duration is 3 hour. This question paper has 4 sections. All the questions are compulsory. Section A. Reading 1. Based on your understanding of the following passage, answer the questions given below. Choose the best options where given. Each questions carry 1 mark. The world's first folding phone. Question 1. What is special about Beta Pi? 2. Which company has brought out Beta Pi? 3. Which company was also in the race? 4. Royal Beta has stolen a bit of its thunder. What does the italicized phrase mean? Answer 1. Beta Pi is world's first folding phone with 7.8-inch hybrid device can fold 180 degrees and transform from a tablet into a phone. 2. The Royal Vita 3. Ancon 4C win praise by defeating a rival organization. Question 5. Which among the following is a disadvantage of the phone? 6. The cost of Beta Pi in India is 7. How do you get extra storage in Beta Pi? Answer 5C. It is large compared to the other phone. 6. Rupees 899. 7. By paying extra money $150. Question 2. Based on your understanding of the following passage, answer the questions given below. Choose the best options where you are given. Each question carry 1 mark. Carbon footprint. Answer the following questions. 1. What is carbon footprint? 2. Human activities mostly produced which is a greenhouse gas. 3. Which among the following is true according to the text? Answer 1. The total amount of greenhouse gases produced 2 directly and indirectly support human activities. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3D. Use of air conditioner increase the CO2 in the atmosphere. Question 4. Carbon footprint is calculated by 5. Which among the following means of transport if used leaves the smallest carbon footprint? 6. According to the text, what is one way to reduce global warming? 7. Carbon footprint is calculated for a period of 8. Most people are shocked when they see the amount of CO2 their activities create. What does the writer mean by this? Answer 4. Individual organization. 5B. Bicycles. 6. Calculate and constantly monitor your carbon footprint. 7. A year. 8A. Our activities produce more CO2 than what we expect. Section B. Writing. Question number 3. Given below are 3 situations. Choose any one of them and write a paragraph on it in about 100 words. State the reason for the increase in the number of overweight people, both children and adults. Give your view on what the government can do to solve this problem. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 3b. Crimes committed against women and children in the society today are increasing. State your reasons why crimes are increasing. In your opinion, what can the police do to bring down the rate of crimes? Pause the video and see the answer. Question 3c. Most schools have around 7 to 9 subjects that all students are required to study. Give your reasons why you think they are important for a student to learn these subjects. Does studying these subjects contribute to the development of society and the country? Pause the video and see the answer. Question 4. Delhi tops the list of the most polluted cities in the world. Write a letter to the Chairman Municipal Corporation of Delhi drawing his attention to the health hazard faced by Delhi's citizens. Give 5 suggestions to control air pollution and improve air quality in the city. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 5. Write in about 100 words a short paragraph for a local newspaper suggesting measures to control use of water and recycle the used water. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 6. Read the following conversation and write down the message. Pause the video and see the answer. Section C. Grammar. Question 7. Complete the following paragraph by filling in the blanks. For each blank there are 4 options. Choose the most appropriate option for each blank. The first one has been done for you. Answer: 1 in, 2 of, 3 the, 4 is, 5 there, 6 to. Question 8. Read the conversation given below and complete the paragraph that follows in indirect speech by filling in the blanks appropriately. Answer 1. That did not played with toys after 8 p.m. 2. He had just started playing. 3. Had you completed your homework? 4. He had forgotten to complete only his science homework. 5. Did it before playing. 6. That he would complete it in 5 minutes. Question number 9. Rewrite each of the following pairs of sentences as a one sentence using the appropriate linkers from the box. There are more words than you need. If, also, unless, 8, though. 1. Work hard with dedication and sincerely, you will succeed. 2. Give full attention to your studies, you will succeed. 3. Syama Das ran very fast, she could not catch up with Hima Das. Answer 1. Unless you work hard with dedication and sincerity, you will not succeed. 2. If you give full attention to your studies, you will succeed. 3. Though Syama Das ran very fast, 8. She could not catch up with Hima Das. Question number 10. Rewrite the sentences given below by filling in the blank spaces with the passive form of the verb. 1. We will watch a movie tonight. 2. Usain Bolt ran the race in record time. 3. Suman read the entire novel in one day. Answer 1. A movie will be watched by us tonight. 2. The race was run by Usain Bolt in record time. 3. The entire novel was read by Suman in one day. Question number 11. Complete the following conversation by filling in the blanks with the correct WH question word. Answer 1. Who. 2. Why. 3. When. 4. Where. 5. What. 6. Which. Question number 12. Complete the following paragraph by filling in the blanks with the suitable forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Answer 1. Has become. 2. Felt. 3. Took. 4. Are fighting. 5. Say. 6. Have chosen. Section D. Literature. Question number 13. Read the extract taken from How the Squirrel Got His Stripes and answer the questions that follow. 1. One day what did Rama see? 2. What was the squirrel carrying up and down the seashore? 3. Why did the squirrel drop the pebbles into the sea? 4. Why did the squirrel carry only small pebbles? Answer 1. One day Rama saw a small brown squirrel. 2. Little pebbles in his mouth. 3. The squirrel wanted to help Rama for building the bridge. 4. Squirrel has small mouth. Question number 14. Read the extract taken from Stealing and Atonement and answer the questions that follow. 1. Who are the we mentioned in the excerpt? 2. What things were they unsatisfied with when he says such things as these? 3. Why did they feel that they lacked independence? 4. What did they plan to do? Answer 1. Mahatma Gandhi and his relative. 2. Way of smoking. 3. Because they could not do anything without the permission of their elders. 4. They decided to commit suicide. Question number 15. Read the extract taken from 9 Gold Medal and answer the questions that follow. 1. What event is being described by the poet? 2. When is the pistol fired? 3. What happened to the smallest athlete? 4. Find 2 words in the excerpt that have similar meanings. Answer 1. Race. 2. Before starting a race. 3. He stumbled and staggered and fell to asphalt. 4. Fell and dashed. Question number 16. Complete the statements given below by choosing the most appropriate options from those that follow. A. The master signed an affidavit before he was allowed to enter the room to bring the tiger out. Which among the following conditions were stated in the affidavit? Answer B. Nobody is responsible for his death. B. The young man leaves his father because. Answer C. He wanted to make more money. C. The letter saying Shivaji was dead was declared a hoax by Jijabai because. Answer D. Aurangzeb never spoke the truth. Question number 17. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. A. Why is Kezia more attached to her grandmother? Answer. Kezia was fond of her grandmother because she always supported her and also make her feel good when she was being scolded by her father. Question 17b. Why did Dr. Kurian give up his government job? Answer. After his tenure, he was requested by Mr. Tribhuvan Das Patel, the chairman of Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, to step back and help him to set up his cooperative society's processing unit. Question 18. Answer any two of the following questions in 30 to 40 words each. A. Why did the master have to sign an affidavit before he was allowed to enter the room? Answer. The magistrate tells him that he will go into the headmaster's room only if he signs an affidavit which says that no one should be held responsible in case the tiger attacks and injures him. Question 18b. How did the monkeys react when the squirrel said he is helping Rama build the bridge? Answer. When the squirrel told the monkey that he was also helping in building the bridge, all the monkeys made fun of him. Question 18c. Why does Dr. Kalam say India should stand up to the world? How can we do that? Answer. Unless India stand up to the world, no one will respect us. In this world, fear has no place. Only strength, respect strength, said Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India has been trying to do so ever since it gained independence. Question 19. Answer any one of the following questions in about 100 words. 1. Was Valodya responsible for Nikki's mental suffering? Answer. No, it was Nikki's own vanity. Nikki is vain, jealous, and also unmindful of his brother's feeling. But during the course of the story, there is a positive development in his character. He realizes his mistakes, he is emotionally moved by his brother's conduct, and apologizes to him for his behavior. Question 19.2. How did Gandhiji father react to his confession? What lesson did Gandhiji learn from it? Answer. When Gandhiji father read the letter, he did not scold him. He knew he was absolutely honest and sincere in his confession. Gandhiji's father began to cry. Gandhiji understood real meaning of ahimsa from his father's peaceful reaction to his confession of a wrong deed. Question 20. Complete the statements given below by choosing the most appropriate options from those that follow. A. Which of the following are promoted by the poet in the poem A Prayer for Healing? Answer C. Justice and peace. B. Most of all, I want to relearn. What does the poet want to relearn? Answer. How to love sincerely.